Hi, I'm Otis, and I'm going to sing an original song for you tonight called Mother Nature Calling. This is a song that I wrote with my musical soulmate, Eugene, and we've been doing some original songs lately, and this is one of them, an environmental song, Mother Nature Calling. Mother Nature calling, Mother Nature calling, Mother Nature calling, Mother Nature calling. Just like the rain will come and the wind will blow, just like the lava flows and a tsunami grows, just like the spirit flies and the waters do rise, just like the wolves do howl, just like a wise old owl. Father, Father, look what's at stake. Mother, Mother, for goodness sake. Earth beneath our feet will shake to help us know it's time to wake. Just like the moon that winks and a flower drinks, just like ripe fruit will fall, or like a clarion call, just like an iceberg melts and a dolphin's cry, just like a